My name is Paul Oliver. I'm the owner of Pinellas Power Products, and this is the product demonstration video for my extended runtime fuel kit for generators manufactured by the Zonson Group running the Ratto 80cc engine using the offset fuel cap system. Zonson Group is a private label manufacturer. They manufacture generators for several other generator brands such as PowerSmart, Wen, Champion, things like that. For the purpose of this video, I will be demonstrating it using the Wen 2500. However, this kit will apply to several other generators. If you are watching this video on YouTube and you'd like to get more information, please look in the description section of the video right below, and it'll have a link to my website where you can look at the product page. It has a tremendous amount of text about the product. It has the product demonstration video, the product installation instruction video, links to different sizes of fuel tanks, and a good FAQ page. If you still don't see the answer to your question, there is a link where you can email me or my phone number, and you can call me. Please do not try to contact me through the YouTube comments. I do not monitor YouTube comments or any of the chat rooms. I simply don't have time. However, I'm very quick about responding to phone calls or emails. With that, the most common question I get asked is, can I still run my generator off a stock fuel tank with your kit installed? And the answer is absolutely yes. If you want to run off the stock fuel tank, very simple. Move the fuel selector valve to the run position. If the generator was cold, you'd pull out on the choke. But I've been running this generator earlier today, and we're in Florida, so I know that I won't need choke. Then to start it, you simply pull the rope. And there you have it. Now, if you want to run it off of my remote fuel tank, the kit comes with everything that's installed inside the generator. If you watch the installation instruction video, you're familiar with that. If not, I urge you to watch the installation instruction video on my website. The extra parts included in the kit would be a Yamaha style quick disconnect fitting, which threads into a 1/4 pipe fitting, which is common on 99% of the marine portable fuel tanks. However, I like fuel caddies better because at my age, anything with wheels, I like. I just don't like carrying heavy fuel tanks. And you can get fuel caddies from 14 gallons up to 40 gallons. I even make a kit that will allow you to install a Yamaha style quick disconnect fitting into the 14-gallon fuel caddies, which have become very popular. This is a 29-gallon fuel caddy. If you wanted to install the marine quick disconnect into this, you simply use brass plumbing adapters to adapt from the 3/4 pipe fitting on this tank down to the 1/4 pipe fitting for the marine fuel connectors. The next thing I'd like to point out is that this is not a gravity feed system. It is not a through the cap system. It uses a legitimate transfer pump. And to use my kit, you'll use the hose included in the kit, and it has an arrow indicating the direction of fuel flow. And that would be from the tank to the generator. So just make sure the arrow points toward the generator. Then you'll connect the quick disconnect fitting to the tank. Connect the other quick disconnect fitting to the generator. If your fuel tank has a manual fuel shutoff valve, you'll open the fuel shutoff valve. If your fuel tank has a manual fuel vent, you'll open the fuel vent. Then, the first time you go using this system, this hose is going to be full of air, not gasoline. So you'll move the fuel selector valve to the on position and pump the prime bulb until you feel fuel running all the way through the prime bulb. And once you get all the air purged out of it, you'll move the fuel selector valve back to the off position. And that's a question I get quite a bit. Is that a misprint? No. The fuel on position is running off the stock tank. With the fuel off position, it's running off the remote tank. And then to start the generator, make sure the fuel is in the off position. And since we just had the generator running and we're in Florida, we should not need choke to start it. And you'll pull the rope. And now the generator is running again. And that just about covers it. If you have any comments about this kit that do not require a reply from me, please go ahead and leave them in the comments section. But if you have any questions that you need to get a reply from me, please contact me through my website. And I thank you for your time.